A company called Certo Software just released a report that explained how hackers are able to access your information through something called malicious keyboards. Now, it's rare, but they were surprised how straightforward and easy it was for hackers to install these through apps. Now, iPhones are still secure and debatedly more secure than an Android phone, but understand also that hackers each day are trying to bypass security and access your information, and sometimes they're successful. So go ahead and grab your iPhone, and I'm going to show you exactly how to check and see if this is happening to you. Click on Settings. From here, I want you to scroll down and click on General. And here, scroll down until you see Keyboard and click there. Right up top, you should see 2 keyboards. And if you click there, you'll see your English and emoji keyboard. If you see a third keyboard that you don't remember installing, then you should be alarmed. If that's the case, then click Edit in the top right, and then you would hit that red delete button on that third keyboard. But from here, as you can see, I only have the English and emoji, and those are your standard keyboards. So my iPhone is just fine.